friends, welcome back to our channel. Before moving to video, do subscribe our channel for more interesting videos. Today we will learn about English grammar. Question mark used to indicate a direct query. Where are you going? Do you like coffee? Exclamation mark used after an interjection or to indicate strong feelings. Stop, he yelled. Get off my lawn. Wow, you look gorgeous. Semicolon used to link two independent clauses that are closely related. Call me tomorrow. You can give me an answer then. Colon used after a complete statement to introduce a series of items. I want the following items: butter, sugar, and flour. Parentheses used to set off additional information. The president and his assistant traveled by private jet. Apostrophe used to show possession, to construct contractions and make odd plurals. A woman's hats, children's hats. She's calling me. There are 2 sevens in 747. Period used to end of a complete declarative sentence. I know him well. Ampersand used to represent the word and. At the zoo, we saw lions, zebras, bears, and monkeys. Mr. and Mrs. Johnson. Ellipse used to indicate a pause or a trailing off of thought. I don't know, I'm not sure. After hours of careful thought, we told her the truth. Comma used mainly to indicate a brief pause. We had coffee, cheese, and crackers and grapes. Quotation marks used to set off a speech, a quotation, a phrase, or a word. John said, I really hate when it's hot outside. She told him bonjour, good day, when they met. Hyphen used to connect two words into a compound word. Truck driver, ice cream, sign in, mother-in-law.